Hello everyone. Now in this video I am going to explain Newton's divided interpolation formula. It's also called as Newton's general interpolation formula. This is the second concept in interpolation. Okay. The first problem I am taking from 18 Mat 21 question paper, that is of model question paper number 2. Okay. Here, the question is using divided difference formula, fit a polynomial for the following data. The data x as well as corresponding y is given in terms of 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Observe here the interval width are not equal, not same, right? Width of 2 and 4 is 2, width of 4 and 5 is 1, correct? H value is unequal here. That's why we can use Newton's divided difference formula or Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, here in the question it's mentioned that we should use divided difference formula, Newton's divided difference formula. The formula is f of x equal to or y of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught times first divided difference that I will denote by x naught comma x1 within the square bracket. Okay, it's called as first divided difference. Similarly, plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 times second divided difference in terms of x naught, x1 and x2. And for the third term, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 times third divided difference, that in terms of x naught, x1, x2 and x3. Okay, and so on. So first I will make a table that is x and y values. The values of x are 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. Values of y, corresponding values of y are 10, 96, 196, 350, 868 and 1746. So first divided difference here I will write, and second divided difference, third divided difference and so on. Now let us compute first divided difference. So here 96 minus 10, 96 minus 10, that is 86, divided by this length, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So the answer is 43. Similarly, this minus this, that is 196 minus 96, that is 100, divided by 5 minus 1, this length, that is 1. So the answer is 100. Similarly, 350 minus 196 divided by 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, that is 1. And 350 minus 196, you will get 154. So the answer is 154. Similarly, here 868 minus 350 divided by 6 minus 2, you will get the answer as 259. Okay, then 1746 minus 868 divided by 10 minus 8, that is you will get 439 as the answer. Next, second divided difference. While computing second divided difference, 100 minus 43, that is 100 minus 43 is 57, divided by this length now, 5 minus 2. Okay, this 2 interval length. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 19, 19. And similarly, 154 minus 100, that is 54, divided by the length is 6 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So the answer is 27. Next, third one, 259 minus 154 divided by this length, you will get the answer as 35. And the last one, 439 minus 259 divided by 10 minus 6, that is 4, you will get 45 as the answer. Okay, next, third divided difference, 27 minus 19, that is 8, divided by here 6 minus 2. You should consider this length, correct? Previously 2, now 3 interval length, that is 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 2. Similarly, 35 minus 27, that is 8, divided by 8 minus 4, correct? 8 minus 4, that is 4. So the answer is 2. Similarly, 35 minus 45 minus 35 divided by 10 minus 5, that is 5. So the answer is 10 by 5. 10 by 5, again it is equal to 2. Next, third divided difference, 2 minus 2, anyhow numerator is 0. So it is 0, and 2 minus 2, it is 0. Actually, 2 minus 2 divided by 8 minus 2, and the last one is denominator is 10 minus 4, but actually it is 0, so no need to compute because numerator is 0. Now we will apply the formula. F of x equal to f of x naught, these values, okay, these are the leading entries. So f of x naught is 10 plus x minus x naught is 2, x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. So that is minus 2 x minus x naught into first divided difference, that value is 43, plus x minus x naught into x minus x1, that is 4, into second divided difference, that is 19 we got, plus x minus 2 x minus 4 into x minus 6 into third divided difference, that is 2, and the fourth divided difference, it's anyhow it's equal to 0, so no need to compute. Here we should write the polynomial, correct? Put a polynomial here for the given data. So from the second term onwards, here x minus 2 is common in second, third and the last term. So I will take that term out. We should write in terms of the polynomial, correct? X power 3 or x power 4 plus some x cubes. The remaining terms are 43 in the second term. Then here 19x minus 19 2s are, sorry, 19x minus 19 4s are 38. 38 into 2, that is 76 you will get. Then plus x minus 2 outside, but x minus 4 into x minus 6, sorry, x minus 5 it is, x minus 5, that is x square minus 4x minus 9x, 5x, that is minus 9x plus 20 into this 2. So the answer is 2x square minus 18x plus 40. Close the bracket. Then 10 plus x minus 2, and compute these entries. That is 2x square 19 minus 19x minus 18x, that is plus 1x, then minus 73 plus 43 plus 40, that is 83 minus 76, so 7 you will get. Next, multiply by x minus 2 here, so 10 plus 2x square into x, that is 2x cube, minus 4x square, multiply by x, that you will get x square minus 2x, multiply by 7, so you will get 7x minus 14, or your final answer is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x, then 10 minus 14, that is minus 4. So therefore the required polynomial is f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4 is the final answer. Let's move to the next question from again a model question paper, 18 Mat 21 question paper, that is December 19, January 20 question paper. Here find f of 9, they are asked to find f of 9 from the given data by using Newton's divided difference formula. X values and y values are given. So first I will draw a table. The values of x are 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Corresponding values of y 150, 392, 1452, 2366 and 5202. So here again divided difference. First divided difference is 392 minus 150 divided by 5 minus 2. That will be 121. Okay. Then 1452 minus 392 divided by 11 minus 7. We will get 265. Use the calculator if required. 2366 minus 1452 divided by 13 minus 11. That will be 457. Next 5202 minus 2366 divided by 4. I mean 17 minus 13, that is 4. We will get 709 as the answer. Next, compute the second divided difference. 265 minus 121 divided by 11 minus 5 now. Okay, one step extra. So you will get 24 as the answer here. Then 457 minus 265 divided by 13 minus 7, that will be 6. So the answer is 32 you will get. Then 709 minus 457 divided by 17 minus 11. You will get 42 as the answer. Next, third divided difference. 32 minus 24 divided by 11 minus 5. Sorry, it is not 11. 13 minus 5. You will get 8 divided by 8, that's equal to 1. And 42 minus 32, that is 10, divided by 17 minus 7, that's again 10. So 10 by 10 is 1. And the fourth divided difference is 1 minus 1, numerator is 0. So it is 0. 1 minus 1 divided by 17 minus 5, that is 12. 0 by 12 is 0. Next, the formula is f of x equal to x f of x naught plus x minus x naught first divided difference plus x minus x naught x minus x1 into second divided difference plus x minus x1 x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into third divided difference up to x3, and the fourth divided difference is anyhow it is 0, so no need to compute because it's 0. So let's substitute f of x equal to f of x naught, that is 150. These are the leading entries. Fourth divided difference is 0, so no need to consider that. So 150 is f of x naught, that is y naught, plus x minus x naught, that is x minus x naught is 5, into first divided difference, that is 121, plus x minus x naught, that is 5, into x minus x1, that is 7, into second divided difference, that is 24, plus x minus 5 into x minus 7 into x minus 11 times third divided difference is 1 plus 0. And here you are finding the value of f of 9. So you can substitute straight away f of 9 equal to, put x equal to 9 here. So f of 9, they are not asked the interpolating polynomial. So straight away you can get the value of f of 9, that is put x equal to 9, 150 plus 9 minus 5 is 4 times 121 plus 9 minus 5 is 4 into 9 minus 7 is 2 into 24 plus 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 11 is minus 2 into 1. You will get the final answer as final answer as 8, 10. Therefore, f of 9 value is 810. Or you can check your answer, that is f of 9 means in between here, that is greater than 392 and less than 1452. That answer is 8, 10. Next, we'll move to the third problem from again 18 Mat 21, August September 2020 question paper. Question is, use Newton's divided difference formula to find, again they are not asked the interpolating polynomial here, find the value of f of 4 given from the data. X value and y values are given. So first we should make a table. The values of x and y are 0, 2, 3 and 6. X value 0, 2, 3 and 6, and y values are minus 4, 2, 14 and 158. Now compute first divided difference, that is 2 minus of minus 4, that is 6, 2 plus 4, that is 6, divided by 2 minus 0, that is 2, so the answer is 3. Next 14 minus 2, that is 12, divided by 3 minus 2, that is 1, so the answer is 12. Similarly 158 minus 14, you will get 144 divided by 3 minus 6, that is 3, so the answer is 48. Next, to compute second divided difference, 12 minus 3, that is 9, divided by 3 minus 0 now, that is 3. So the answer is 3. Next, here 48 minus 12, that is 36, divided by 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 9. The last one, 9 minus 3, that is third divided difference here. 9 minus 3, 6, divided by here 6 minus 0. So the answer is 1. Next, write the formula. F of x is f of x naught plus x minus x naught, first divided difference, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, second divided difference, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 into third divided difference, up to third divided difference here. Next, substitute. So f of x equal to f of x naught value is minus 4 plus x minus x naught is 0 into first divided difference is 3 plus x minus 0 into x minus x1 is 2 into second divided difference is again 3 plus x minus 0, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into third divided difference value is 1. That is, you need to find f of 4, not the interpolating polynomial. So put x equal to 4. You will get f of 4 equal to minus 4 plus 4 minus 0. So 4 into 3 plus x is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 into 3 plus x is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1 into 1. So the answer will be minus 4 plus 12 plus 24 plus 8. So we will get 32, 40, 40 as the final answer. Therefore, f of 4 is equal to 40 is the final answer. Let's check the value of f of 4. Here it is 40, that is less than or greater than 14, yes, and less than 158.